Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite. And in this video, we're going to talk about getting some financing for your business, even if you have bad personal credit. So look, you want to try a lot of other financing options if you do have credit issues, because per the Department of Revenue, most financing nowadays is not coming from the big banks. So if you're one of these people that think you can't qualify for financing because you can't qualify at your bank, you're probably right. You can't qualify at your bank, but you're not right about qualifying for financing. You're probably a good chance that you can. One of the ways you could do is through building business credit. If you don't have a good enough FICO score, well then think about coming in and building business credit. You're not out of luck. Okay. What you want to do is you want to first get started by establishing vendor credit. Okay. So this is basically initial vendors that will give you credit when you have none. The credit reports to the business credit reporting agencies. They sell things like office supplies and shipping supplies, stuff you really need. And when about 5 to 8 of those accounts report, you can then start moving to the next tier of credit. Now, a lot of sources will then let you actually add trade references as well. So even if vendors don't report, well, then you're able to go to the reporting agencies and add references you maybe already have with suppliers on there onto your business credit report. You can even go to creditsuite.com/advanced, and you can even add utilities to your business credit report as well as your cell phone. Okay, so a great way to do it. Now, when you have 5 to 8 trade lines, then you can start moving on to retail credit, right? This is Walmart, this is Amazon, Best Buy, and Lowe's, and everything in between. Okay, and with decent vendor credit established in about 5 to 8 of those accounts, then you can then move on to fleet credit. This is where you're getting auto vehicle repairs and maintenance and covered, and fuel cards at BP, Chevron, Sunoco, Wex fleet cards, things to that extent. And then once you do that, you want to continue with adding more accounts, right? As you continue to add more accounts, you're trying to get to about 10 or 14 accounts, then you get to the final tier, which is cash credit. So when you have about 14 accounts reporting, you can get Visa cards, MasterCards, American Express cards. This is acceptable in most places, and you need to have that many payment experiences, which also make you more lendable. Now, a payment experience is a trade line on your business credit report. So if you get an account that reports on your business credit reports, that's a trade line. That's a payment experience. And the more of those you have, the more tiers of credit become available for you. So remember, when you're thinking about getting money for your business, consider all funding sources. I just showed you a bunch of different steps of the business credit building process. Every single one of those is available to you regardless of personal credit. You can get vendor credit, you can get cash credit, you can get store credit, all regardless. You can get $10, $20, $30, $40,000 limit credit cards without a personal credit check and guarantee using business credit. And you can go to creditsuite.com/EIN to grab a free guide that maps out exactly what that process is to build business credit. You can also give us a ring, 877-600-2487. Here at Credit Suite, we help business owners get money, and we do it by improving your fundability, by helping you access loans and credit lines, and by also helping you build your business credit. So if you're looking to get money for your business, give us a call, send us an email, info@creditsuite.com. And don't forget to check out the top right of our page at creditsuite.com. We have all of our social media links. We go live on YouTube and Facebook weekly. We release multiple podcasts weekly, and we have so much other free information that will help you through the process of getting money to grow your business.